This is Jeff with VP Armory, and we're going to go over the lock bar installation of the Px4 full-size X300 compensator. So let's start with the lock bar. So it also has a stainless wedge block there, so you can increase the tension. One of the things about plastic frame guns, they vary from part to part, and so you can fill in that gap by using the wedge to kind of gain some tension. We install the lock bar into the light. Make sure that you get the, use the U rail lock when you assemble it. And then we will install the light onto, or the compensator onto the light. I usually put one screw in to kind of help get things guided. And then once you get that started, you can go through the rest. Makes it a little bit easier. Oops. So once I get them all the way down, then I go through and just lightly, just give it a little bit of extra turn just to make sure they're all the way down. Okay, so how this works is you have these two wings on the sides and you pull those back to release the lock clamp. And so pull it out like that. So now you take the pistol, you put match up the rails with the comp, and then you slide it on, and then you push the lock bar in until it locks and you're secure. Now, mine for a little bit has a little bit of wiggle in there, so I want to tighten that up. And so I just use the clamp wedge block to kind of just lightly, once I feel some tension, I'll test it and feel good. So there we go.